So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-unfriend ng account sa Roblox. But first, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Roblox account or yung ating Roblox app. And then, pag-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, pumunta lang tayo sa friend list ng ating Roblox. So, tap lang natin yung friends para ma-view natin lahat ng friends. And dito guys, pumili lang kayo ng friend na gusto nyong i-unfriend. So, for example, is itong account na to. Tap nyo lang yung account. And then, hanapin nyo guys yung 3 horizontal dots na dito sa may lower left corner. And then, may magpa-pop up dyan na option. So, dito, hanapin nyo yung unfriend. Then, tap nyo lang. And automatic guys, ma-unfriend na yung account na yon. So, add friend na lang yung nakalagay since nga in-unfriend na natin. And mawawala na siya dito sa friend list natin. And once na in-unfriend yun na yung account, hindi nyo na rin makikita na online siya dito sa Roblox. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-unfriend sa Roblox. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.